Now you compile this, you run this code, not compilation, run. What happened whenever you run this one? Whenever you run this, what happened? Try to understand. So you are getting what? G parent has different work style. G parent has different work style. But walk method that is defined in grandparent. Okay. Walk method defined in grandparent class, but this method is being accessed by object created for son class. Okay, so that quality is being accessed for, that is being inherited for son. So because son is getting what? All the son inheriting from qualities from grandparent, father, mother. So if I write one more object, I call that method of father, because he is object son dot, what is the father method? Father what? Father speaks. Okay, father speaks loudly. We change this as a father speaks loudly, father. Okay, now son, I am accessing that speak method of father. Okay, so now this son accessing the method of grandparent, method of father and mother. Because I have passed the parent classes, base classes, as a mother, father, G parent as a base classes within son. Okay, this is a in bracket. Now means it what? These three classes becomes the base class, parent classes. From them, son as a child, he will inherit all that. Means son class is able to access all that methods and attributes. Any parameter is there. Okay. So how? Let us see now. Son, object son. He is accessing the from mother also. Mother, what is mother cooks well. So as a son inherits from mother qualities. Mother cooks well. So cook. Okay, cook is a quality of the mother. So now you compile, you run this code, not compilation. Compile word will be used with only Java. Here run and interpretation. Okay, run. So now what happened? The son has inherited all the qualities of the grandparent, like work style, father like speaking, and mother like cooking. Okay, so son. So now we can say that simply it is called multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance means child class inherit from many base class. How many base classes here? Grandparent, father, mother. So one daughter is there. Daughter, she will get some qualities from father and mother. So two base classes. We can simply say that two base classes. Apart from that, son has his own talent. So son is multi-talented. Otherwise, son has some multi-talented, like what he has his own ability. Son has somewhat old son has some own talent like son do somewhat activities like he plays well. Son has some own talent like playing, okay, playing, okay, and writing. These are what his qualities. Son has some own talent. So that is what under the method. Okay, now if you call the own method as with the object son dot show method will be suffixed with the brackets. If you compile this, if you run this, so son has some own talent like playing, writing, but these three behaviors means methods, some they are called actions, okay, inherited from grandfather, father, mother. That is called multiple inheritance. Okay, multiple inheritance. Next word. So now I hope that you understand that what is multiple inheritance in Python. Inheritance means if any child class inheriting from parent class, inheriting the qualities, okay, that they are called some behavior getting from parent class, that moment is called inheritance. Multiple inheritance means if a child class inheriting from many base classes. Many means more than one base classes. Base class means parent class. In Java it is called super class. Okay, so then that moment is called multiple inheritance. Okay, so how it is very simple in Java. In Python we need to declare a class, okay, with the class keyword, and after the class name must be terminated with the colon here. After that method, I told you many times, I told you that if any function declared with the def keyword under a class, now it is called a method. User defined method is a user defined method. Okay, now it is user defined class. In Python many inbuilt classes, predefined classes, and predefined under the classes predefined methods are there. In Python folder is called a module. Within that module so many classes will be kept predefined, inbuilt, so they will be imported. Okay, here we are as a programmer, we are we are creating our class and methods, user defined class. Okay, now under this user defined class, one method declared with the def keyword. Now it is defined with a print statement. Same father class declared, okay, and defined with a print statement under a speak method. Okay, so we can do like this. So many classes can be created. For these classes objects are created. Suppose if this class has one variable, that is called variable grandparent, has somewhat color. Okay, color is what? It is an attribute of the grandparent. Color will be gold color, suppose. So this gold color inherit by grandson. Okay, inherited by grandson. How this will be accessed by grandson? Object son dot that color. Okay, now you compile this one. What happened? You run this code, you will get, okay, you need to pay, you put print statement here, print bracket, then you close this one, you compile, you run this one. Okay, gold color. So grandson achieved the color of grandparent, means grandson inheriting the attribute